Okay guys, hey, it's Marissa, and today I'm going to be doing my nightly routine. So I'm just coming home from the gym and dinner with my friend. So the first thing, oh, look at my hair. The first thing I'm doing is taking my hair out of this hat, out of this bun, and I'm going to take some makeup removing cleansing cloths and get all this excess makeup off of my face. I didn't have a lot of makeup on anyway, but just getting everything off. Yeah. And then after that, I'm going to head down to my bathroom and take a shower. So I'm going to brush my teeth first. Yeah, I'm just brushing my teeth. And then after I'm finished with that, of course, I'm going to put some music on. And then I'm going to hop in the shower, my favorite thing after the gym. I think it's everybody's. And I'm currently using the Joico K-Pack shampoo and conditioner. So after my shower, I am back up in my room. And I'm going to put some of this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream on my hands, on my body. And I actually put a little bit on my face. I really would never use the same lotion on my face and my body, but I love this stuff. It's like sensitive for my face and my body. It's so great. And then I'm taking my Estee Lauder supercharge eye cream just to help with those bags, you know. Alright, and then after that, I'm going to use the Snow Whitening Teeth Kit. I just started using this, so it just has this little turning serum. It just comes right out, and then you place it on your teeth, and it's actually really gentle on your teeth. I've used whitening strips and I can't use them. My teeth are so sensitive, but this doesn't bother them at all. And then it has this little tray which you can plug into your phone, your laptop, whatever. Super easy because you can use it on the go. So I love plugging it into my phone, and then it lights it up, and then I have it on for about 5 minutes, and I'll just watch like YouTube videos or whatever on my phone. So after 5 minutes, when my timer is going off, I unplug it, and then I put it on for another 5 minutes without the light on, and I will just rinse it off after that's done. And you can track how your growth on your teeth, how white they are getting. And my favorite thing, I literally love this stuff so much, is this lip treatment that you put on after. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. And then I'm just going to take my hair out of this towel. I'm going to put some of my favorite serums in my hair. If you guys want a hair care routine, let me know as a comment. I can definitely do that for you. And then I'm just going to comb my hair out. And then I'm done over at my vanity. I turn my lights off, and then I'm going to head over to my bed. And of course, my favorite part of the day is lighting my candle. This is like my favorite thing ever. And then I'm going to turn on some Netflix, which my favorite show right now is Shameless. I've been watching it. I'm almost done. But yeah, and then after that, I'm going to check out social media. I get on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, you look at my nails. But yeah, if you guys aren't following me, all my socials will be linked down below, so make sure you guys go follow me. But yeah, I just kind of keep up with that on the day, and then yeah, I'm turning my phone off. I plug it in the charger. I blow out my candle, and then I am going to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.